GPT-4 has reportedly passed the Turing test, claiming it can now exhibit human-like intelligence in a way that's hard to distinguish from a real person. This breakthrough showcases incredible progress in AI, but it also raises some important questions. Could GPT-4's advanced capabilities pose risks to humanity? Let's dive into what this claim means for our future and how it might change the way we live and work. In 1950, Alan Turing, a pioneering mathematician and computer scientist, proposed a groundbreaking test. The question he posed was simple yet profound. Could a machine fool a human into believing it was human too? This question led to the creation of what we now know as the Turing test, a benchmark for measuring artificial intelligence and its capabilities. In this test, judges interact with a hidden entity, which could be either a human or an AI, through a text-based conversation interface. The goal is to determine if the judges can reliably distinguish between the machine and the human. If they cannot, the AI is said to have passed the test. The Turing test has seen the success of GPT-4, an AI model that has demonstrated remarkable accuracy in mimicking human communication. Unlike previous attempts, GPT-4 can generate human-like text, adapt to conversation flow, and exhibit creativity. This raises the question of whether GPT-4 is truly intelligent or merely a sophisticated mimic capable of imitating human thought and behavior. As AI technologies continue to develop, the line between human and machine intelligence blurs, challenging our understanding of what it means to be truly intelligent. While passing the Turing test is a remarkable achievement, it is just the beginning of what AI can truly accomplish. It is essential to recognize its limitations and understand that the Turing test is not the ultimate measure of AI's capabilities. The test, designed in an era of simpler technology, primarily focuses on language and the ability to imitate human conversation. This was groundbreaking at the time, but technology has evolved significantly since then. Modern AI, however, goes far beyond language processing. Today's AI systems, equipped with advanced algorithms, perform various tasks such as complex problem-solving, pattern recognition, and artistic creation. They analyze vast data to identify trends and predict future trends. The challenge lies in surpassing human intelligence by developing systems that think and learn in unique ways. We need AI systems that can help us solve complex global challenges, from climate change to disease eradication. These systems must be designed to work alongside humans, enhancing our ability to address these issues. Focusing solely on passing the Turing test risks limiting our understanding and development of AI's true potential. By broadening our perspective, we can unlock new possibilities and drive innovation in ways we never imagined. GPT-4's success in the Turing test signals a future where AI is deeply integrated into our lives, transforming how we live and work. We will interact with AI systems daily in our homes, workplaces, and communities, making our routines more efficient. This collaboration has the potential to revolutionize numerous industries, improving efficiency, productivity, and our overall quality of life. However, this future also comes with significant uncertainties. As AI systems become more sophisticated, questions of ethics, bias, and control become paramount and must be addressed. Ensuring responsible AI development and use is crucial to avoid unintended consequences and ensure a positive impact. The age of intelligent machines is upon us, marking a significant milestone in human history. GPT-4's success serves as a wake-up call, reminding us of the rapid pace of technological advancement and the need to embrace AI's full potential as a powerful tool for progress. AI can revolutionize industry, solve complex problems, and enhance our daily lives in ways we have yet to fully imagine. This new era demands careful consideration of the ethical implications and potential risks. We must address concerns about privacy, security, and the potential for misuse, ensuring that AI development is guided by principles of fairness and responsibility. The future of AI is uncertain, but we must actively shape it to benefit humanity. Collaboration between technologists, policymakers, and society can create a future where AI drives innovation and improves lives globally, ensuring AI's potential for good. What do you think about the future of AI? Is it a boon for humanity or a cause for concern? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on AI and technology. Thanks for watching. See you next time.